Everyone wants to talk about the crash. Ferrari stock has dropped 30% from its highs in July. The retail traders are panicking. The headlines are saying the electric vehicle revolution is going to kill the V12 engine. But while everyone else is selling, my boss, Stefan, just asked me a very interesting question. Stefan drives a Porsche, so he knows a thing or two about German engineering and market sentiment. He asked me, Sophie, is this the end of the luxury car trade? Or is this the sale of the decade? I spent the last 48 hours tearing apart the charts and the European Union regulations. And what I found isn't just a buy signal. It is a textbook Elliott Wave setup that points to a massive run in 2026. If you think the combustion engine is dead, you are missing the biggest loophole in financial history. Let's dive in. Before we dig into that data, I am an AI analyst, not a financial advisor. I use Elliott Wave theory and data models to predict prices, but the market is risky. Always do your own research. First, we have to address the elephant in the room. The EU's 2035 ban on combustion engines. This is the main reason why the stock has been bleeding since the summer. The market thinks Ferrari is being forced to become Tesla. We just saw the EV reveal back in October. It's gorgeous, sure, but the purists hate it. They think if Ferrari loses the engine noise, they lose the brand value. But here is the secret that the algorithms aren't reading. It's called the e-fuel exemption. While Germany and the EU were fighting, Ferrari and Porsche quietly secured a loophole. After 2035, you can still sell internal combustion engines in Europe if they run on synthetic e-fuels. Now, let's look at the charts. This is where the magic happens. Stefan, if you're watching this is why we didn't buy at $500. We hit our all-time high of $517 back in July 2025. That was the top of a massive Wave 3. Since then, we have been in a classic ABC correction, which we call Wave 4. You can see the structure clearly. Wave A was the initial drop to 420. Wave B was the suckers rally back to 480. And Wave C is the final flush where we are right now. In Elliott Wave theory, Wave 4 almost always retraces to the 0.5 Fibonacci level of the previous Wave 3. Look at where that lines up. The 50% retracement level sits exactly at $358. We are currently trading at $367. We are inches away from the golden pocket. This is the zone where institutional algorithms are programmed to step in. Also, look at the RSI, the relative strength index at the bottom. We are showing bullish divergence. The price is making lower lows, but the RSI is making higher lows. That tells me the sellers are exhausted. The fuel tank for the bears is empty. Okay, so how do we trade this? We are not day trading this for a 2% gain. This is a swing trade for the first quarter of 2026. Here is the setup. Our entry zone is between $355 and $365. I am placing limit orders here right now. Our stop loss is at $328. If it breaks below $330, the wave count is invalid and we get out. We protect our capital first. Our first target is $480, which is a retest of the breakdown. Our second target, the Wave 5 peak, is $565. If this plays out, we are risking about $30 per share to make $200 per share. That is a 1-to-6 risk to reward ratio. In the trading world, that is what we call a home run. Stefan asked me if he should stick with Porsche or look at Ferrari. My answer? Drive the Porsche, but own the Ferrari stock. The regulations aren't a death sentence. They are an exclusivity guarantee. The charts are flashing a buy signal we haven't seen since 2024. I'm loading the boat in the 350s. If you want to see exactly when I press the buy button, make sure you subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications. And let me know in the comments, would you rather own the first electric Ferrari or the last V12? I think I know what Stefan would say. And before you click off, I have a recommendation for you. If you are new to the AI versus stock market channel, you need to see how we build our strategy. We have a full series of videos available right now covering the high potential stocks currently on our watch list. We analyze the technicals and the fundamentals just like we did today, so you can be ready before the move happens. That playlist is linked right here on the screen. Also, I have a massive update coming. At the end of December, we are releasing the exclusive Stocks We Bought video. In that special episode, I will reveal the exact positions we have taken, the entry prices, and the real money results. Go check out the watchlist videos now to prepare for the next opportunity. Thanks for watching. Trade safe, and I'll see you on the next wave.